Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, except I'm bringing you another sneak peek of new stuff that's on its way. Now, I love these clear little boxes. They are brilliant for quick gifts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a very easy way to get your DSP on the inside. So as you can see, it's shiny on the outside. Now, these are 2 inches all the way around, so 5.1 centimetres. So that means that the total is 8 inches, that's 20.4 centimetres. Now, one would think that you're going to cut a piece of paper that's 8 inches, 20.4 centimetres. You're not. You're going to cut a piece of paper that's 7 and 7/8 of an inch. So, just slightly smaller. Can you see that down here? So instead of being 20.4 centimetres, you're going to cut it 20. Okay, because you then simply, whoops, drop it. No, you don't drop it, you fold it in half, and then you fold it in half to the middle, and then fold it in half to the middle on that side. So when you build your box, it will drop inside, easy peasy. So we're going to put that to one side. Here's my box. They come with this lovely film on them, which means that, because I can't remember how many you get. How many do you get in a packet? You get, oh, blimey, 16 in a packet. I didn't know you got that many. Wow. Oh, and there's a delivery truck just turning up. They're coming to me? I don't know. But yeah, that protective film is so that you don't damage anything. Okay, fold it open, push it down. No, I don't think they are coming to me, that's okay. Oh, okay. That one goes in first, which is this one with the notch out in the middle. That goes in, then the 2 sides, then this one with the funny little bit. That goes in, and when you poke it through, it will all sit. Okay, and then your paper that we've neatly folded in half, it's, you know, there's no join there, but you just drop it inside and you have a perfect fit all the way round. Okay, so I've just put that in so that that's in the back. There's the back. There's a seam. Okay, so this is Perennial Essence. Now what I've got to go inside here is I've got an EOS balm, but you can see it's too big. And Blueberry Bushel, okay, he's now reversing back up to me. Is he coming to me or is he going? He's going. So this is Blueberry Bushel cardstock that I've shredded, and I'm scrumpling. Oh, I love that word, scrumple. Don't really know how much I'm going to need, so I'm going to put a bit in at the bottom for now, maybe another little bit. Put my EOS balm in there, that's it, and then I can put some more around it, make it all look pretty. And there's my phone. Oh, so do you know what? I don't need that bit. I just need a little bit more down there. There we go. Close it all up. And why is that popping out now? Oh, it's there's a bit of cardstock sticking out. Okay. Oh, this is like one of those fiddly. You're all doing thumbs downs now, aren't you? No, please don't. Okay, closed at last. I pulled a ribbon out. Here we go. So this is the flax ribbon. So this one's carrying over. Oh, I've got a slit there. And that's not going to tie up. Oh. And they left a voicemail. That's good. And then I am going to do some punching because we have a new stamp set and punch. although I'm actually not going to use the stamp set, I'm just going to punch. But to show you, this is the new stamp set, Floral Essence, that has this flower here that has a new punch with it. This one. But this stamp here goes with this punch, which we've been carrying over. But I'm going for speed purposes for you guys, so I'm going to punch 1, 2, 3 of them, and 3 of those. So that's Blueberry Bushel, this one's Garden Green. Oh, I can't pick that up. Okay. Let's start layering. So mini glue dot in the middle of that one, and I'm going to set it off, but not exactly over. I'm just going to set it off a little bit. And then another one there. And then push really hard in the middle and it will all start folding up. And I'm just going to push it about because, you know, I'm like that. Grab my faceted dots, and I want the biggest one in silver. It's not one of those, but that will have to do. Oh, blimey, they're emailing me as well. So that's in the middle. And then the leaves, I'm just sort of bending them in half to give them a bit of texture. I just had a sudden horrifying thought. Did I press record? I did, yay! Okay, and then this is a 2-inch box, so I want a slightly smaller circle, so I'm going to go with 1.5 inches, just in plain Whisper White. And I'm going to pop my flower in the middle of that. And I'm going to tuck these in behind, so I'm going to use mini glue dots. Apparently I want to stick to myself. I tucked in there, and then I'm going to use these. I'm just going to use a whole load of mini glue dots to stick this down. And then discover where the front is and where's the back. That's the back. Pop it on there. And that, I think, is cute. So it's quite different. So this is a suite that's retiring. So you need to grab it while you can. Beautiful. I've loved the suite. The children have loved it. Slightly different version with the new Perennial and Floral Essence. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.